The scene opens to a vibrant meadow filled with colorful flowers and tall grass swaying gently in the breeze. Ellie, a friendly elephant with a cheerful disposition, is grazing peacefully, while Zack, a lively zebra with distinctive black and white stripes, is prancing around, playfully kicking up dust. Ellie and Zack notice each other from a distance. Curiosity sparkles in their eyes as they cautiously approach one another, exchanging cautious sniffs and friendly trunk and nose touches. Gradually, their hesitance fades, and their joyous laughter fills the air as they realize they share a mutual interest in exploring the meadow together. The two friends embark on an adventure through the meadow. Ellie, with her sturdy trunk, playfully swings branches, while Zack shows off his swift moves, racing in zigzag patterns through the grass. They play tag and create an obstacle course, laughing and enjoying each other's company. As the day progresses, Ellie and Zack encounter a small stream blocking their path. Zack, not being able to swim, hesitates. Seeing this, Ellie stretches her trunk across the water, creating a makeshift bridge for Zack to cross safely. Zack gratefully crosses over, thanking Ellie for her kindness. As the sun begins to set, casting a warm orange glow over the meadow, Ellie and Zack find a serene spot under a big tree. They sit side by side, enjoying the peacefulness of the evening, sharing stories of their adventures and dreams. As night falls, Ellie and Zack bid each other a fond farewell, promising to meet again for more adventures. They exchange playful nudges and joyful trumpets before heading in their separate directions, hearts filled with the memories of their delightful day together. The camera pans out as Ellie and Zack disappear into the horizon, leaving the meadow in peaceful darkness, highlighting the beauty of friendship and the adventures that await. This short story for kids, featuring the friendship between Ellie the elephant and Zack the zebra, aims to inspire joy, kindness, and the beauty of forming connections regardless of differences. So, dear kids, I hope you enjoy the friendship adventure. So stay with me for next video. Keep watching and subscribe Danyal Haider Cartoons for Kids. Bye for now!